So we do have a special feature video for today. This is came from FITCAMX, a dash cam. So this dash cam was sent to me, and we will be making an installation video, and let's see if this product is really good. So let's open it. So again, it's a FITCAMX dash cam. So we will be putting this into my sister 2017 Toyota RAV4. This is in here. Okay, so we're just gonna put everything over here, and let's see what's inside the box. What's this? Oh, the wire. Okay. And I think this is the instruction manual. So I think this is the camera. So it's built in into this plastic. But what's this? Okay. Oh, it's a holder. I think this is a holder for your cell phone. Yeah. So as you can see in here, it's a plug and play. It's only with one wire. So it's gonna be seems like it's gonna be super easy to install it. And this one, it seems like you're gonna use this for your phone, because you can see, I think the captured a video from your phone, because this one has no screen. Yeah. And also I think this already had a SD card. That's very simple though. Alright, let's just install this into my sister's car. It's for a 2017 Toyota RAV4. Alright. Okay, so this is the 2017 Toyota RAV4. I'm just gonna remove the old. So we're just gonna push this. There we go. Then let's remove the clip in here. There we go. Go. That's it. And then over here there is a connection. Just disengage it. Then let's, I think we have the clip. We will transfer this to the new one. Alright, so we already transfer those two clips from the old one, and now we could insert this over here. Connected it. There we go. And then the other, I think we gotta need to let's see, hold on, right there, maybe. So connected like this. There you go. Alright, so that's how I do it. Okay, we should remove this. Now we can put this one, insert it like that. It's a one-way connection. There you go. And let's just clip it. Alright, so it's already installed. So we're just gonna turn the car and then let's turn it on. You can see a 3 red light right there. Now we need to install the app FITCAM. So to download the FITCAM apps, there's a QR code in here. And then it's that we are downloading it. Okay, so after we download the FITCAMX, so you should go in here, confirm, and then you should go one sec in your over here, or go to your Wi-Fi, then go to this CarCom, and then your password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and press enter. Double check our password. Hold on. Yep, on the manual password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's do it again. Okay, so I did put the password again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And hold on, still searching. So it's very super simple. Just download the FITCAMX into your app store, and then we'll just gonna be, you know, super easy, and just follow the instruction over there. Okay, we're just gonna wait. All right, so after I follow the instruction, it's so very simple. Now I'm already connected. Wow. I think if let's go to settings, let's see if this is 4K. So there's a couple of settings in here that you can do. Where's the resolution? Firmware format, for factory Wi-Fi name, video resolution. I think this is already 4K. Sound recording, turn it on. So again, it's very simple. It's not that hard to, you know, to do the setup for this camera. Just a couple of instructions that you need to do. Okay, there you go. Now it's wow, it's recording now. You know what, let's take a test drive. Let's see how it look like. So Actually, it's come also with this camera holder. This one, but I haven't installed it yet. I'm just gonna hold this with my hand, and let's drive it. Honestly, it's really the video is really clear. Oh, look at that. Wow. Whoa, it's really 4K. Uh-oh, hold on. Put on my seatbelt. Nice. Okay. Again, this is a 4K camera, dashcam camera. Well, the only thing, I don't know if this is a disadvantage or advantage of this dashcam. It's up to you. Ooh, look at that. It's too bright. Is this camera, it doesn't come with the screen, so you have to use your cell phone. But for me, it's just fine. It can be recorded into your cell phone, I think. Yeah. The good thing is the camera is so clear. Hold on, I think my oh, look at that. Nice. Alright, so if you are interested with this dash cam, so you can always go to their site, FITCAMX.com, and I think this camera costs around 239 Canadian dollar for this Toyota RAV4. And it's easy to install. And one thing that I like with this camera is the video itself. It's a 4K. It's super clear, as you can see. All right, that's it.